Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have the x, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we can do first the derivative of y to the power of 4 and sine y. And this one they have like this. And now we simplify it. So we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to x. We have this one and this one. So we have like this. So we see that this one and this one, they are same. So that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So I select about this one plus 3xy. So the integration of 2x, we have x squared y to the power of 4. The integration of sine y, we have x. This one we keep the same. Now we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we have 4y to the power of 3. This one we have cosine y. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now we simplify for the both sides and we have like this. Now we put the integration for the both sides. And this one we have c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equal to c. And we put this one equal to fxy. fxy equal to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.